I think the hotel, for the size it is quite adaptable. So you do have the little country bar, small bar at the front of the hotel. It's very casual, very relaxed. If you wanted to have, bar lunch, just a few drinks. Behind there, the lounge is, it's so comfy, the big couches and the fire, especially in the colder evenings, putting the fire on. It's a very relaxing room. We have the lower restaurant down, overlooking the gardens down to the loch, coming down for dinner. Guests don't expect, again, if they haven't really explored the hotel upon check-in, when you show them down to the restaurant and they have a table by the window overlooking, sun or rain, it's a beautiful view outside. Tucked away around at the top of the hotel, we've got the front restaurant where we serve bar lunches, bar evening meals, or if there was a larger party we can set it up, so they've got their own dining space. And then tucked away down at the corner we have the cellar downstairs, which is quite an atmospheric room that can be used for smaller dinner parties or drinks receptions and things like that.